Hey, I'm Andy Delgado, and welcome to the Builder Notes playlist here on Andy Taught Me How. If you're anything like me, you've probably searched YouTube for one specific problem. Maybe your website isn't showing up on Google. Maybe your contact form isn't working correctly. Maybe you're trying to figure out DNS, email authentication, or QR codes, or UTM tracking. You don't want to watch a 3-hour course to find one answer. You want someone to show you how to fix the problem and get back to work. That's exactly why I created Builder Notes. These videos are short, practical lessons that solve one problem at a time. They're not designed to be watched in order. They aren't tied to a specific website builder. Whether using BizStackPro, GoHighLevel, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, Webflow, or something else entirely different, the concepts you learn here will apply almost everywhere. My goal isn't to show you which button to click. I want you to understand why you're clicking it. Because once you understand the concept, you can use it on almost any platform. Now, if you're building an entire website from scratch, I have something even better for you. Every Tuesday, we build a real website together during my free live training series. We don't skip steps. We don't assume that you already know what you're doing. We start with a blank page and build something you can actually be proud of. I'll leave a link to that in the playlist. I'll leave the link to that playlist in the description below. And if you'd like to build along with me using the same platform I use in these videos, you'll find a link to BizStackPro. Throughout these Builder Notes, I'll reference both from time to time because they're naturally fit together. One teaches individual skills. The other teaches you how to put all those skills together into a complete website and an online business. So here's how I recommend using this playlist. If you're here because of a specific problem, find that video, watch it, solve the problem, and get back to building. If you're new to websites or automations or email campaigns, subscribe while you're here. New Builder Notes are added regularly, and chances are if you run into a problem, I've already covered it, or it's on my list to record next. Thank you for spending a little time with me. I hope that these Builder Notes save you time and help you avoid frustration and give you the confidence to build something you're proud of. I'm Andy Delgado. Learn it, build it, and make it yours. See you later.